Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Contrarian stock traders who are patient should look at Global Net Lease Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol GNL. A high-yield real estate investment trust, or REIT for short, that's focused on commercial properties. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. The REIT acquires commercial properties and leases them back to the occupants. Its properties are situated in the U.S., Western Europe, and Northern Europe. Global Net Lease owns approximately 1,304 properties comprising 66.8 million square feet. Now, that would cover, for perspective sake, 1,160 NFL football fields. An impressive 96% of the properties are leased out, and they have a weighted average remaining lease term of 6.9 years, which is great because this provides it with steady cash flow for years to come.
Now, I was reading on incomeinvestors.com that the risk with Global Net Lease stock is the company's financial losses and significant debt obligations, which have scared investors.
Yeah, GNL Stock's high dividend yield is actually due to a major share price deterioration. As of this recording, the stock is down by a whopping 25% in 2024 already and 42% over the past year. It fell to a 10-year low of $6.83 per share on February 28th.
Global Net Lease stock traded as high as $14.50 in March of 2023 and $30.21 in June 2015. So its current upside potential is significant.
Yeah, the company's goal should be to improve its balance sheet. Fortunately, Global Net Lease has been producing pretty positive free cash flow, which should make its current dividend safe.
Speaking of which, how has it been doing financially?
Global Net Lease grew its revenue from 2019 to a record high of $392.3 million in 2021. Prior to having a small decline in 2022, the outlook for the company's revenue is extremely optimistic at this time. Analysts estimate that Global Net Lease will drive its revenues up to a pretty significant $795.7 million in 2024. Now, one of Global Net Lease's issues is its inconsistent profitability. After producing diluted earnings per share profits in 2018 and 2019, it's had 3 straight years of losses. And now, after posting a 2022 loss of 9 cents per share, the sole analyst who monitors Global Net Lease expects the company to come back with 41 cents per diluted share in 2024.
What's happening with dividends here?
A big plus for Global Net Lease Inc. is its ability to continue paying dividends, which is a result of its positive free cash flow since 2019. This is important because the company uses its free cash flow to pay dividends and reduce its debt load. In 2021, it had free cash flow of $184.6 million and $154.3 million in 2022. Now, as mentioned earlier, major risk with the GNL stock is the company's debt, which was $5.3 billion at the end of 2023. Now, as of this recording, Global Net Lease also had $162.4 million in cash and strong working capital, so liquidity shouldn't be a big problem at this time.
What is the current dividend payout and yield here?
GNL Stock's current quarterly dividend of 0.354 per share translates to a forward yield of pretty substantial 19.83%, at least at this recording. That's well above the stock's 5-year average of 11.93%. And as mentioned earlier, Global Net Lease stock's ultra-high yield is due in large part to its weak share price. Now, considering the company's debt level, I don't really expect the company's board to increase its dividend anytime soon. Management could certainly maintain GNL stock current dividend level, given the company's positive free cash flow, and moves toward positive adjusted earnings. On the other hand, Global Net Lease Inc.'s dividend coverage ratio of 0.6 is a little on the weak side, so the company could also eventually make another dividend cut.
John, thank you so much for your insight. Just to recap, Global Net Lease is clearly geared towards contrarian income investors who are willing to adopt and wait and see approach. To compensate for some of the risk with Global Net Lease, investors get dividend and potential for significant share price appreciation if the company can reduce its debt and generate profits. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.